Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on AppGuide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can unlink or remove your phone number from your TikTok account. So you have a TikTok account that you use to watch TikTok videos. You created that account using your phone number, or you linked your phone number to that account, and now for some reason you want to unlink or remove that phone number from your account, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to unlink or remove your phone number from a TikTok account in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do in order to unlink or remove your phone number from your TikTok account is open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you open the TikTok application, you land in an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is log into the TikTok account that you want to unlink or remove your phone from. If you're already logged in, skip that step. If not, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged into the account, what you want to do is tap on the profile option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile option, you land on your profile interface. From here, in order to unlink or remove your phone number, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. Then go into manage account. Once you go into manage account, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll have the section labeled as account information. In that account information section, you'll have an option labeled as phone number. Here you can see the phone number that you have entered. Now the thing with TikTok is you cannot really unlink or remove a phone number completely from a TikTok account. You need to have a phone number in order to use the TikTok account. So if you want to remove your personal phone number from a TikTok account, what you can do is use Google Voice. It's an application which provides virtual phone numbers for you, or you can use other virtual phone numbers application. Select a phone number from there and enter it here, and that is how you can actually remove your phone number from your TikTok account. There's no other way. You can't really completely remove a phone number from your TikTok account. So that was the simple step in order to remove a phone number from a TikTok account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.